Ever wondered if there was a way to navigate the often confusing world of finance with a clear roadmap, especially as a student? A way to manage your money smartly, avoid pitfalls, and set yourself up for a solid financial future, all while juggling classes, social life, and maybe a part-time job. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Student Patriot Banking Basics, a concept that, while not a universal, standardized banking program across all financial institutions, represents a set of common, highly beneficial features and approaches that banks and credit unions do offer to help students like you achieve financial independence. Think of Student Patriot Banking as a philosophy, a collection of best practices and specific account types designed with the unique financial needs of students in mind. It's about empowering you to be a patriot of your own financial well-being, taking control, making informed decisions, and building a strong foundation. We're going to break down what these basics entail, from the types of accounts that are perfect for students to the digital tools that make managing your money a breeze, and even how to start building a positive financial history. For many students, their first foray into independent financial management comes with opening a bank account. It's a significant step, moving from relying solely on cash or parental allowances to having your own access to funds, a debit card, and the responsibility that comes with it. This is where the concept of Student Patriot Banking truly begins to shine. It's about creating an environment where learning and growing financially is supported, not hindered by complex fees or overwhelming jargon. So, what are the core components of this Student Patriot Banking philosophy? Let's start with the cornerstone, student-friendly checking accounts. A good student checking account is designed to be low cost, if not entirely free, and to offer features that cater specifically to a student's lifestyle. Many banks and credit unions understand that students might have limited income, inconsistent cash flow, and are often new to managing their own finances. Therefore, they offer accounts with no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements, or easily waivable fees. This is crucial because, as a student, every dollar counts, and you don't want your hard-earned money being eaten away by unnecessary charges. Beyond the fees, or lack thereof, these accounts often come with a Visa or MasterCard debit card. This isn't just a piece of plastic, it's your primary tool for accessing your money. With a debit card, you can make purchases online and in stores, and withdraw cash from ATMs. For students, the convenience of a debit card is unparalleled, allowing you to pay for books, groceries, and social activities without carrying large amounts of cash. But Student Patriot Banking isn't just about spending. It's also about saving and managing your money efficiently. That's where online and mobile banking become absolutely indispensable. In today's digital age, your bank should be at your fingertips. Student-focused accounts almost always come with robust online and mobile banking platforms. These platforms allow you to check your balance anytime, anywhere, view your transaction history, transfer funds between accounts, pay bills, and even deposit checks using your phone's camera. This level of accessibility is vital for students who are often on the go and need to keep a close eye on their finances without having to visit a physical branch. Imagine being able to quickly check if you have enough money for that late-night pizza delivery or if your scholarship funds have been deposited, all from your dorm room or library. That's the power of modern student banking. Another key feature that aligns with the Patriot ideal of financial independence is free bill pay. As you take on more financial responsibilities, you'll likely have bills to pay, perhaps for your phone, streaming services, or even rent if you live off campus. Free bill pay through your bank's online platform allows you to set up one-time or recurring payments, ensuring you never miss a due date and avoid late fees, which can quickly add up and derail your budget. Now, while checking accounts are great for daily spending, Student Patriot Banking also emphasizes the importance of savings accounts. Even if you're on a tight budget, developing the habit of saving is paramount. Many student savings accounts offer competitive interest rates, albeit often modest, on your balance. While you might not become a millionaire overnight, seeing your money grow, even a little, instills a valuable lesson about the power of compound interest and the benefits of delayed gratification. Some institutions might even offer special youth or student savings programs with incentives, like bonus prizes for consistent deposits, to encourage young savers. Speaking of saving, a crucial aspect of responsible money management is avoiding overdrafts. An overdraft occurs when you spend more money than you have in your account. While some student accounts might offer overdraft protection, which links your checking account to a savings account or a line of credit to cover transactions, it's always best to avoid overspending in the first place. This is where vigilant use of your online and mobile banking tools comes in, allowing you to monitor your balance and track your spending in real time. Learning to live within your means is a foundational principle of Student Patriot banking. Beyond the basic account types, Student Patriot banking often encompasses additional resources and support to help students become financially literate. This can include access to financial education resources, such as articles, workshops, or online modules that cover topics like budgeting, saving for goals, understanding credit, and even basic investing. Some banks might offer financial counseling or one-on-one sessions with a financial advisor, providing personalized guidance to students navigating their financial journey. These educational components are invaluable because they equip you with the knowledge and skills to make informed decisions throughout your life, not just during your student years. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.